Welcome students back. We was covering about family Solanaceae, and in that we was covered generally about its family description, and after that then next is the economic importance. Economic importance means what are the its positive use as well as negative uses. Okay, it doesn't mean only positive points we have to include in the economic importance. Negative points, those means that if it has any negative kind of value, suppose if any plant is used as a drug, okay, that is a negative point, but that is also a economic importance. Okay, so family Solanaceae, all of those plants, those are basically used as a food plants also, like potato, tomato, chili, ground cherry. All right, then it has a medicinal value. Atropa belladonna, then there is a name of a plant. It is a scientific name and its general name is atropine. It is used for the preparation of a heart medicine, that is known as aspirin. Okay, then tobacco, it is we know tobacco, it is a injurious for the health, but that is also included in the economic importance. Tobacco, it has a toxic alkaloid nicotine and used for chewing and smoking and snuff, all that. Ornamental value means that for the decoration, and like petunia, only one example you can do, that is used for the ornamental value. Now further we have to cover just general one example in it. That example is a Solanum nigrum. Its general name is, it is a scientific name, and always remember in the mind while writing the scientific name, so name of the genus, first letter of the genus it should be capital, and first letter of the species it should be small, and always underline the point while writing the scientific name. Its common name is Indian nightshade, Radhi Rani. Okay, Vern or McCoy also, some in some local examples also this is name is given. Habit, it is an annual wild herb, stem herbaceous, aerial, erect, leaf alternate, petiolate means petiole is present, simple. Okay, only main points you have to remember. Unicostate reticulate Venetian. Inflorescence, cymose. Flowers, sepal 5, gamosepalous means sepals are fused. Velvet estivation, that we has covered in the previous point, and odd sepal posterior. Corolla petals 5, gamopetalous. Velvet estivation again, alternating with the sepals. We will do these things more clear in the. Then after that, androecium, stamens 5. Okay, epipetalous means it arises above from the petals, alternating with the petals. You can see in the diagram also. These are the 5 sepals present. Okay, and these are, it means these are fused. These hooks are representing these are fused. Then 5 petals are present. Alternate ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੇ means that तो half sepal finish हो रही है, जिथे हाफ सैपल उतों पैटल अराइज हो रही है. सेम वे हाफ सैपल इत्थे पैटल फिनिश हो रही है, हाफ पैटल इत्थे, मीन्स दैट सैपल्स एंड पैटल्स आर प्रेजेंट इन अ alternating manner and both of these are fused. This one also. Then androecium, 5 stamens are present and these are epipetalous. Epipetalous means these are arising above the petals. This one, it is a petal and these are arising above the petals. Then gynoecium ovary, it is a bicarpillary, 1, 2. Okay, bilocular, 2 locules are present, you can see here. Ovary is superior, that we will write in the formula also. Basically these points you have to remember only. Now in the formula you can see it is a ebracteate. Okay, and both male and female flowers are present, you can skip this sign also. Calyx 5 are fused, corolla 5 are fused, androecium 5, it means androecium is arising above the petals, epipetalous. Ovary, bicarpillary ovaries in carpus ovary. Okay, and that is a superior ovary. So it was the general floral formula and floral diagram. Only this diagram you have to remember, floral diagram and floral formula of a Solanum family member. After that, our next family and last family of this chapter is the family Liliaceae. In that, its general description, its habit is generally it is a perennial herb, okay, which grows means for the 2-3 years. Perennial herbs in the form of rhizome, corms, bulbils. All of these are the modifications of the root, stem, and leaf. Then stem, it is a woody. Leaf, it is a simple and usually alternate. Students, kindly underline the points which I am explaining here. Only remember those points. Parallel venation, inflorescence, that is a racemose type. Next up, mainly flower is a bracteolate and bracteate. Bisexual flowers are present. Actinomorphic, all of these terms students we has covered in the previous classes, we can discover from those, okay. And hypogynous. Perianth, tepals 6. Tepals means when there is a not differentiation between the sepals and petals, okay. Means that there is a confusion whether it is a sepal or whether it is a petal, then that is known as a tepal. When there is a not differentiation between the sepal and petal, that is known as a tepals. Tepal 6, these are arranged in 2 whorls, 3 of each, means that in each whorl 3 tepals are present, and these are in alternate manner. I will show you in the flow diagram. Androecium 6 in 2 whorls, 3 of each. Gynoecium tricarpellary syncarpus trilocular with many ovules are arranged in one row, okay, that is sufficient. Fruit berry type, seed, endospermic, embryo curved or straight. Now again, its economic importance we have to cover. Just wait for a second, students. Just again in the it is an edible plant, so like onion, okay, it is used as a vegetable. Then it is just sorry, its scientific name is a Allium cepa. Scientific name of onion is Allium cepa. Then scientific name of sorry, garlic is a Allium sativum, okay. And all of we know these are used as a edible plants. Ornamental value means these are used for the decoration, like lily plant. These have medicinal value. Species of aloe means aloe vera plants, these are used as a medicine. All of these main points you have to remember. Then again, same way in the previous case, we have to cover one example also in this. Its example is Allium cepa, means onion. Habit, annual herb, ओके, सन पता 1 साल बाद असी प्याज लगाने, दैट इज़ अ एनुअल हर्ब. रूट एडवेंटिशियस, स्टेम रिड्यूस्ड अंडरग्राउंड मॉडिफिकेशंस आप कीतियां ने, रिड्यूस्ड अंडरग्राउंड मॉडिफिकेशन हुई हुंदी स्टेम दी. लीफ रेडिकल, ओके. एंड पैरेलल वेनेशन, इनफ्लोरेसेंस एम्बलेट टाइप. फ्लावर पेडिसलेट, ई ब्रैक्टिएट. कंप्लीट hermaphrodite means bisexual. Actinomorphic. Perianth, tepal 6 arranged. It has I explained earlier, arranged in 2 whorls of 3 each in the alternate manner. Androecium, stamen 6 arranged in 2 whorls 3 of each. Gynoecium tricarpellary syncarpus trilocular. Fruits capsule, and it is a floral formula. On the basis of this formula we have to draw its floral diagram. Now here it is a bisexual. P 3 plus 3 means perianth. 3 plus 3 means that perianth, sorry, petal, let me check, yes, tepals. Perianth means tepal 6 arranged in 2 whorls, sorry. You can see here in the floral diagram 1 2 3 okay, 3 are present, 3 tepals are present in one whorl. In the second one, 1 2 3 3 tepals are present in the second whorl, but these are in the alternate manner. Again, tepals means when there is a not differentiation between sepals and petals, that is known as a tepal. These are the androecium. 3, if you will observe carefully, then it will be easily seen to you. 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are present on the outer wall. 1, 2, 3. These are present in the inner wall. Gynoecium, tricarpillary, trilocular, okay, and axile placentation. You can skip placentation here. Okay, and ovary is superior in this case. So students, it was all about the families and its general description. After that, we has covered one example in both of the cases. So only these points you have to remember in this chapter. Before that, we has covered about the agencies of pollination, then about these families and general terms of the floral formula. Only these terms you have to remember from this chapter, and rest before those, all of the modification, all of the morphology what we have covered in general, that is deleted from your syllabus part. So after that, now we will start next chapter. Thank you students.